Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm not a very religious person, but the one thing that I do get out of Christmas now, besides when I was a kid getting off from school that week, was that this is the one day of the year where, regardless of the conflicts or petty grievances that people may have, it's the one day where we can come together, squash it, and just smile at each other, try to be understanding of each other, where we're coming from, what our life histories are, and just try to enjoy the company that we are in as human beings. Whether it's teachers and students that are at odds with one another, a boss of a company and the employees that are at odds with one another, people who are politically at odds with one another, anti-repair lobbyists versus right-to-repair people that are at odds with one another, architects that are about to get sued versus their clients that are at odds with one another. Regardless of what it is, it's the one day we could seek to understand people, shake their hand, say Merry Christmas, enjoy, and be happy. And that's what I always got out of Christmas. That's what Christmas meant to me. It's one day of the year where, regardless of what's going on in our lives, let's try to understand each other. Let's try to squash the conflict and just act as positive human beings. I hope that for all of you. Thank you so much for watching and for the viewership over the past 7.5 to 8 years. I hope that this is going to be an amazing 2020, and I hope that you all have a very Merry Christmas. See you in the next video.